city of Los Angeles, and Laker fans all over the world. I got a question. Our current Lakers roster, are they good enough to win a championship? If not, if you believe they are not good enough to win a championship, comment down below, let me know why. Now, personally, we do have deficiencies on the defensive end. So it's going to be a challenge stopping these younger teams, Spurs, Thunder, Anthony Edwards, and the Timberwolves. But Luka alone has taken the team all the way to the finals. So we got Austin Reeves helping him out, LeBron in a complimentary role. I definitely think it can happen. I think the Lakers can make it to the finals. However, will we be healthy enough to actually win a championship? That'll be my question. What do you guys think?